Why did the puppy go to the forest? Because he heard the trees were barking and he wanted to join in on the conversation.
Why did the little kitten cross the road?
To get to the perfect side, where the golden sun shines and a new friend is waiting to play.
Keep following me, little friend.
I am right behind you and so happy that we are finally heading home together after our big adventure today.
Why do cats always get their way?
Because they are perfectly adorable, and even a brave puppy knows better than to argue with that charm.
You are watching AI Made Simple, where we make technology, AI, and online tools easy to understand. So in today's tutorial, you will learn how to create animated videos with AI for free. So if you are new here, consider subscribing and let's get started to it. Now, the first thing you're going to need is to generate your script or to write your script. That's step one, right? So for every great animation starts with a script. So instead of spending hours writing, you can use ChatGPT to generate a script in seconds. So I will simply describe an idea now, like an example to you. So first thing you're going to do is to go to your ChatGPT. So as you can see, I already put in a script for ChatGPT to generate for me, which is write a 2-minute animated story about a brave puppy saving a lost kitten. So as you can see, I wrote it and make it short because I just want to use this for tutorial for you guys to see how the animated video is being done. So AI will generate a complete script that you can edit to match your style. So it depends on how you want it to do. So as you can see, my title is Brave Puppy Saves a Lost Kitten. So as you can see, a script has been written for me by ChatGPT. And after that, what you're going to do is to make each scene a prompt for an easy generation so that you can take it to the next word, to the next step for an easy generation. That is the next AI tools, free AI tools you're going to be using to generate your words, your prompts to realistic image. So as you can see, ChatGPT has already break each prompt in which I will be using to generate it to images. So this is it. So as you can see, everything has been scene 1 to scene 6. Scene 1 to scene 6. Now that our script is ready, it's time to create the characters and scenes. So what you're going to do is go to the next favorite AI image of yours, but I will be using Google Gemini. So you can use ChatGPT as well. Yes, you can use ChatGPT to generate your picture as well, but I'll be using Google Gemini. So I'm going to go to Google Gemini now. Now I'm in Google Gemini. So I'm going to click on create image. So I know that all my prompts are already in ChatGPT. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT now to start copying my prompts to Google Gemini so that I can create my image for me. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT now. Then I'm going to copy the scene 1. So make sure that whenever you want to tell ChatGPT to create a script for you, make sure it's in animated so that when your prompt is being generated, it's going to be in 3D. Because that's the purpose of this video, so that you can understand how you can do what you can create a animated video AI. So I'm going to copy my first scene now, choose my prompt, then take it to ChatGPT, then take it to Google Gemini to generate an image of it for me. So now that's the first. Now as you can see, the first image has been generated for me. As you can see, this is the cat and it's showing what I wanted. It's showing the animation, visuals, everything that I need of how the video is going to be. So the next thing is to go to ChatGPT again, copy the scene 2 aspects, then take it to Google Gemini, for it to generate an image of it as well. So you should give Google Gemini time to create your image for you. Then, so as you can see, this is the second scene. This second scene of the dog is showing the animation video that I needed. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT again to copy the third scene. When the brave golden retriever runs through the forest, jump over logs and splash through shadow puddles. So check on the kitten cats. So now if you noticed, the way I'm generating my image, you can see that it's consistent. The visuals, the trees, they are the same. The purpose of this is to make your character or your story looks professional. So it won't just really look like more AI of a thing. So that's why Google Gemini is good for image generation. ChatGPT is also good as well. Just make sure your image you are generating is consistent with the character. So I'm going to copy the fourth image now, the fourth scene now. Yeah. Now my image has been generated where the golden retriever meets with the kitten. So the next thing I'm going to do again is to copy the next scene, right? Let's copy the next scene. Yeah. Now my image has been generated again. You can see that. You can see that the characters, the puppy, everything is consistent. It's everything, the dog, the cat, the background. You can see that everything is consistent. Everything is going smoothly. So the next thing is to copy the last thing which is needed for the tutorial. So I make it short because I'm just showing you guys. It's for you to do your own video as well. So whenever you want to do yours, you can make yours more longer. So that is. Now that our images has been generated, you can see that now that our images has been generated and I am satisfied with the image I generated. If you're not satisfied with it, you can tell Google Gemini to create another image for you. But I'm satisfied with the image, with the props, with the scene. Everything goes smoothly as supposed to do. So after that, we're going to download all the images once you know you're satisfied with it. So let's download the images. So this is the first one. I'm going to download this now. So second one. The third image. And the fourth one. The fifth one as well. The sixth one. Like I said, make sure your characters are consistent. The purpose of this is to make your story looks profession. Now that we have already saved our images, now the next thing is to turn our images into animation. Now the next thing is to upload those our images into an AI video generator. So as you all know that Grok is now a paying site now, so you can use YouTube AI, you can use dollar AI as well. So the next thing is to turn those images into animation. So the next thing is to upload those images into an AI video generator. Since we are satisfied with our images, our characters are consistent and so on. So the next thing is to look for a video generator. So I'm going to be using YouTube AI. I'm going to be using YouTube AI. So I'm going to go to YouTube AI now. Let's click on YouTube. Yeah. So I'm going to click on the AI, on the YouTube AI. So this is the YouTube AI. I'm going to click on it right now. So that's it. So after clicking on it, you can see photo to video. The photo to video. So I'm going to click on photo to video. So my first one is this image. So let's wait for the image to be uploaded. Now my image has been uploaded. So what I'm going to do is to now bring the photos to life. As you all know, for every image to be able to, for every video generator, you need the description of your image for it to bring what you want for it to do and it brings it to life. So we're going to go to ChatGPT. So we copy our scene one, right? Then we copy it, go to YouTube again, then paste it there. Then we wait for it to generate our images to video. Now our first image has been generated. Our first image has been generated, so you're going to save it to your device. So I'm saving it now, and this is how you keep doing for the remaining images as well. Generating them, turning them into life. So you're going to do for the next one as after we have already saved it. But YouTube AI, as you are turning your images into video, is going to be joining everything together, so that you don't even have to go to your CapCut before you start joining it together. So it depends on you. So I'm just saving it to my device to let you know that if you don't use YouTube AI, you'll be able to take it to CapCut, then join your videos together. So you're going to do the next one now. Just click on photos and video, click on the next one, then waiting for it to upload the image. Now our image has been uploaded. Go to ChatGPT, copy the same too, then go to YouTube as well, then upload our description, then wait for it to generate the image to video. Now our video has been generated. Like I told you, YouTube AI will keep joining the videos together. That you don't have to take it to CapCut. As you can see, it has joined the next video together with it. So I'm going to put in the next picture, the next image for it to change it to what? I want to change it to life. So we're going to upload the image now. Then we're going to wait for the image to be uploaded. Let's generate. So it has been uploaded now. We're going to go to ChatGPT, then copy the same for the same tree. So right now, another image of us has been generated into a video. As you can see. Like I told you, YouTube AI is joining all the videos together as it's being generated. So right now,
Why did the puppy go to the forest? Because he heard the trees were barking and he wanted to join in on the conversation.
Maybe in there. Then we upload the fourth image, right? Then you're going to wait for the image to be uploaded into YouTube AI Creator. Then we go to copy it as again. Now, another image has been generated into video. So, this is it. Let's push it again.
Why did the puppy go to the forest? Because he heard the trees were barking and he wanted to join in on the conversation. Why did the little kitten cross the road? To get to the perfect side, where the golden sun shines and a new friend is waiting.
Put the remaining images as well. So, as I told you, YouTube AI is also good for video generation, mainly good for the vertical one, which is now ratio 16, right? So I think they have not yet upgraded it for you to be able to generate videos for a long form video. So that's why it's like that. So you're going to next image. Then you're going to wait for it to be uploaded. Now it has been uploaded with ChatGPT again. Go to ChatGPT again. Put in our description for it to generate the video. So everything we are doing now is we are uploading these images into an AI video generation, which is YouTube AI. So another one has generated again. So we upload another images, then which is the last one. The image that will be changed to live. So we're going to wait for it to upload. We're going to wait for the image to be uploaded. Let's go and copy our last thing, which is the prompt to be used generation. Okay, next one. Now our image has been uploaded, so we click on it again. Now our video is now completed to be watched. That is, the video generator has generated all our images into the video we wanted. So, as you can see,
why did the puppy go to the forest? Because he heard the trees were barking and he wanted to join in on the conversation. Why did the little kitten cross the road to get to the perfect side, where the golden sun shines and a new friend is waiting to play?
Keep following me, little friend.
I am right behind you and so happy that we are finally heading home together after our big adventure today.
Why do cats always get their way?
Because they are perfectly adorable, and even a brave puppy knows better than to argue with that charm.
Always make sure those videos are joined together. You can also, after now, I'm already saving the video. So if you wish to add some captions, subtitles, maybe voiceover, AI, then you can now take it to CapCut, and CapCut is going to do that for you. The video is already saving in our gallery. Now, video has been saved. This is our gallery. Now let's watch the video.
Why did the puppy go to the forest? Because he heard the trees were barking, and he wanted to join in on the conversation.
Why did the little kitten cross the road?
To get to the perfect side, where the golden sun shines and a new friend is waiting to play.
Keep following me, little friend.
I am right behind you and so happy that we are finally heading home together after our big adventure today.
Why do cats always get their way?
Because they are perfectly adorable, and even a brave puppy knows better than to argue with that charm.
So as you can see that the animated video is as how we created it. So I'm sure with the step by step of how I've created these videos from the beginning, starting by writing our scripts using ChatGPT, generating our images using Google Gemini, and turning those images to video using YouTube AI. I'm sure you'll be able to create your own animated video by yourself.